Today we're going to do a tutorial on essentially how to make your own executor, create your own custom one. Get Visual Studio 2022 in the description. Create a new project, make sure it's a Windows Forms app, .NET Framework, C#. Name whatever you like. Make sure it's .NET Framework 4.8. Now once it's open, all we gotta do first, just to make it life easy for us, press on any CPU and configuration manager, change this, new, x64, okay, close. Now we can resize this however we like. Quickly just put it all together, rich text box, couple buttons too, so we can just put this in, so we make an easy execute and inject button. You know, I'll also make a clear one too. Actually, let's select that one and paste this one. So it's Control C, Control V for the buttons. Okay, so now we'll name this execute. It's named clear. This is named inject. Or you can also do attach, whichever. And to change the name of that, you can also remove it by going to form border style and just press none. But to keep it like that, we can change it to, we'll say tutorial. And then just gonna make this rich text box bigger. So this is a rich text box, remember that. And now what we can do here is we can double click and this will open up. Here we are. Perfect. So before we get started with everything, what we want to do first is I recommend pressing that project, Control C, Control V, and then here remove the tutor.slm part, or whatever. Tutor bin x64 debug here. Now what we want to do is there'll be another link in the description. We're going to paste both of these into there. Bin has this stuff, and now we're going to go back here. So now we're going to reference Zenith API so we can use the capabilities of the API. So now we're going to go to wherever you place that in x64 debug Zenith API.dll. Okay, nice. So now we have to make sure we use the API. So you can do using Zenith API semicolon. Remember at the very top. Cool, and now essentially the easiest part. So Zenith API.zenith, Zenith.zenith API .no. So now what you want to do is press execute, and to do this you can do Zenith API.zenith.execute script bracket semicolon rich text box, so that's referring to our rich text box and the text within it. Cool, no errors. Now we'll do the clear part, pretty easy. We're going to reference the rich text box and we'll do dot clear bracket and semicolon. Easy stuff right there. Inject. And now this is the last part. Very counterintuitive, but it's okay. System IO. Boom, that's the inject. This is how to inject. So injecting process. And if we essentially have all the buttons done, we can also add one more if we want to. So we can just make this a little bit smaller here, just next to each other as well. And this one's smaller too. And we're gonna add another one here, and we'll just do kill roadblocks. Something ever occurs. So Zenith API, reference it, Zenith dot. Now we're also going to do kill roadblocks bracket. Here we go. Perfect. And this is all good. Now what we can do is press start here. This is just a test of that. So now I'm on a literal base plate. I recommend going to this place always for your scripts and stuff. We're going to go to our here, inject, press F9, executor injected, exploit attached successfully. Now just to make sure, we're going to do print hello, execute hello. Say another one. Shut up. Just keep spamming it. Shut up. Clear this. Press execute. Nothing happens. All working fine and dandy. Easy. Alright. Hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Pussies.